welcome. This is the look. This is the Amazon wig install. 13 by 6 30-inch wig. Everything's posted in the video and will be in the description box below, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Charlie Mar Beauty. Welcome. Okay, so this wig is 13 by 6 30 inches long. It's given 28 for me. The hair is very soft, minimal shred. It takes heat. The curls do hold. What more do you want, ladies? $111.35. You can't beat that. Would I buy it again? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes. Is it big head friendly? Kinda. It was real tight on my head, so y'all think about that one. But for the price, you can't beat it. Amazon wig install. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my ball cap, you guys, and then I'm gonna cut out those ear tabs. Now I'm going to go ahead and melt down that ball cap. I'm using the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray to melt my cap. Okay, blow dry on cool. Blow dry on cool, you guys. If you don't have cool, blow dry on low at a distance. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and color in that ball cap. Color it in with your foundation. I'm doing my Juvia's Place contour in the shade dark, but the lightest shade in that palette. We can go ahead and cut the cap and then get ready to install this wig. Okay, I went ahead and used the Ghost Bond glue to lay down that ball cap and get ready to install this wig. I did 2 layers, not the 4, not the 5, but 2 layers, okay? Okay, and I'm only doing 2 layers because I plan on taking this off after 72 hours. If you want to keep it on longer, do your 4 to 5 layers, okay? Let the glue dry down clear before you lay down your wig, okay? Now that that glue has died down a little bit, it's not as white. You want to wait till it's clear, but my own patience. So I went ahead and started laying down my wig. I'm going to wrap it with my little hair tie, and we're going to let that sit for a minute. Okay, I was just using the Tresemme Extra Hold Spray along the lining of my wig. We're going to let that sit for about 10-20 minutes to get that good melt, and then cut the lace. Okay, I'm blow drying on cool. Look at me feeling myself. Long hair, don't care. Okay, right here, we're cutting our lace. We're cutting the ear tabs. And then we're going to do a little bit of plugging. All right. Okay, so we went from plucking to styling. I went ahead and did my side part. We're using the Edge Boost Pineapple wax stick to lay down our hair before we get ready to style. All right, ladies. Okay, I'm using my curling wand to do my curls. I'm laying down my baby hair, cutting my sideburns. Yes, I love sideburns. And before you know it, boom, it's the style. Charlie Mar Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.